Welcome everybody to IHM Kolkata Institute of Hotel Management, and here finally the gourmet night day has arrived. Here is the Ranjit, Mr. Ranjit. He is in charge for security. His duty is to run away stray dogs, chase them. And you are in?
Bar counter.
He is at the bar counter. If you wish to have alcohol, you can contact him. This is Kumar Kisle, working in the Argentinian cuisine, Argentinian kitchen. He did a lot of hard work. He was washing utensils and all. And good. That's Manish Padar. I can't say anything about him. And here is you are in which department? Okay, he is the executive chef.
Phoenix Valley.
Yes. Okay, now too much introduction. This is Manish. He doesn't need any introduction. Nikhil, where are you, Nikhil? Nikhil, this is Nikhil. Just see his physique. You will get jealous of him. Wait, don't say that. Fuck off. Of course, let me make it first. And here, this is the entrance of IHM. From here you will come. I don't know, 2 counters are there, but don't know for what. This is the one of the major sponsors, Blender's Pride. This is the dustbin where you can put your kuda and all. Here is the Nikhil, and here everyone is going from here. The flower arrangement is beautiful. Everyone is busy. Yeah, this is LED screen. Wow. And this is Shilajit sir. This is the grand entrance. Grand entrance, Shilajit sir. This is the grand entrance. From here we enter. Here the guest will be entered. Then this is the Dolce. This is the Dolce. It is the counter for desserts, and guests will be having desserts from here. As you can see, the plates have been kept and the decorations have been done beautifully. This is gel, as the name suggests. It is for the water counter. People can have water from here. There are filters. Filters will be there too for drinking water. Here comes the first of the 4 cuisines, that is Brazilian cuisine. You see, the cultural department has done a very great job for decorating everything in all. And here, let's have a look at the menus. We have what is called coxina. Then I'll not be able to read the names, but there are many items to eat, and that's just from Brazilian cuisine. Now moving on from Brazilian cuisine, we have the Ethiopian cuisine. There also you can see the great work of decoration brigade coming in action. There also you'll have, as you can see, with each dish it is mentioned in the bracket about what is it, what it contains, the ingredients and all. And the decorations, as you can see, that was Ethiopian. Now moving on to here, he's the Nikhil, my cameraman. He's not holding the camera but following me. I don't know why. Wow, this is the Korean. This is, I guess, the most stunning of the 4 counters. And all the dishes are written as usual. With the bracket, it is written what are there. But I guess the Korean is the best decorated. Hats off to the decoration brigade for the Korean department. It's awesome. Simply, it's awesome. Yes, it's very good. Yes. And now we come to the last of the cuisine, that is Argentinian cuisine. As you can see it here also, we have different foods and all. Now the music has started playing behind me. And the work of decoration brigade. That's the back area where people are coordinating. This is the snacks counter. Yes. As you can see, the plates have been beautifully decorated by various cultural department people. They've made smileys and all. The spoons have been kept very nicely. There is the counter for spanchihi, that is for snacks. Now moving on from there, we come to the F&B counter, that is for serving alcohol. As you know, guests can have 2 packs of alcohol. Here we have people who will be serving alcohol. This is the alcohol one. Guests can enjoy 2 packs of alcohol from here. As we move on, this is the main stage area where the dance will take place, and dance, cultural ramp walk. The guests will be sitting here, and many more performances will be there. These are the live counter areas. As you can see, people are working, and the live counter areas. There's Sudhir sir and Saurabh sir working together. Hello, Dhananjay. Say hi. I'm just taking video. As you can see, Sudhir sir and Saurabh sir discussing about the various aspects of the event to make it a huge hit. Now this is the F&B counter. I guess will be served plate from here, and also the live, It is a live counter. Yes. Oh, here comes the pineapple. Pineapple made of balloon. Pineapple made of balloon. Here we will get, I guess, Chiski and all. Here Kumar Ketan is calling. And Ketan is the Ketan and Kisle. Now with this, we are going to wrap off the video of this. I'll just let you have a close look of the stage. As you can see, LED lights are there as it was there outside. This is the Prapti, the main sponsor for our dress. Yes, they provide a dress for ramp walk. This is the Gourmet Night 2017 panel. Here, as you can see, people will be sitting here and they will enjoy from here itself. That's it. That Kumar Saurabh for you. Thank you. Bye bye.